This guide will advise you on how to access the compliance view for your quotes and orders on the Probrand Procurement Platform. You can navigate to all areas of the platform from this homepage. In order to access the compliance information relevant to your quotes and orders, please make sure you are logged in. Depending on which you would like to view, select either the Quotes or Orders tab in the drop-down under your account. You will then be directed to a page where you can view all of your previous quotes or orders. In this example, we are viewing orders. Select View Details in order to see full information regarding the order or quote. From here, you can change the view that you will see of your quote or order from Standard to Compliance. Once you are in the Compliance view, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and see the price breakdown. This will show you a snapshot of all pricing available from the distribution channel at the time you raise the quote or place the order. It will show you which distributor offered the best price and therefore won your business. On this page, if you scroll back up, you will have the option to download this compliance information as a PDF. To do this, select the Full option. A PDF view of the compliance breakdown will then be downloaded. The first page explains how the platform and this compliance document ensures that you are procuring in line with the Procurement Act 2023. On a later page in this document, you will be able to see that same price and stock breakdown at distribution level. The document exists for auditing purposes and has no expiry date, meaning you will always have proof that you have been compliant with the Procurement Act 2023. This is one half of our commitment to ensuring full compliancy when procuring through the platform. The other half is through a call-off contract against a framework. Probrand is on the following frameworks: CCS RM6098 and NHS SBS Link 4. If you have any further queries regarding compliance on the Probrand Procurement Platform, please reach out to your account manager.